In today's video, I'll teach you how to sign up GetYourGuide account. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link www.getyourguide.com/login. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the login interface of GetYourGuide. From here, you'll be able to log in or sign up for your account. You'll be able to find various options for signing up. You can see over here, you'll be able to find the option for Google, Apple, Facebook and email. Simply click on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to create the account for myself with email address. So if you also want to do that, click on the field of email address and enter the correct email address over here. Now after you do that, what you have to do is click on this option, continue with email, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to create an account for yourself. First of all, enter the full name. Now what you have to do is enter the password. Click on the field of password. Now create a very strong password for yourself. Your password must be at least 8 characters long and contain one lowercase letter, one uppercase letter, one number and one special character. So simply create the password for yourself. Now after you create the password, click on this option, create an account, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your account has easily been created. So that is how you sign up GetYourGuide account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.